Good morning. Welcome to VGuide TV. In this video, I'm giving you the equation for differentiation. Okay, in the previous video, I explained you about the differentiation. Here I'm giving you the equation directly and I'm going to solve some questions. So remember, I told in the previous video, V is nothing but dx by dt and A is nothing but dv by dt. That means velocity is nothing but dx by dt. A is dv by dt. No need to worry about anything. X is, this meaning is variation of x with respect to time. That is called a velocity. Variation of velocity with respect to time is called our acceleration. Now, you see, I'm going to write an equation. What is d by dx of new equation only? X to the power of n. Everybody should remember this equation. D by dx of x power n. How I'm reading also, be very careful. This is the general formula. Is equal to n x power n minus 1 is the general formula or general equation. General equation. D by dx of x power n is nx power n minus 1. Okay, clear? Now, I'll show you how the questions are coming. How the question, see, we did some equations. How the question is coming in this. See, the position of a particle with respect to time is x equals 3t cube minus 6t square plus 12t plus 6. See the question. The position of a particle is with respect to time. So, what is happening here? The position is changing with respect to time. At t equals 0, what is the acceleration? This is a question. How can I solve the question? See. So, first itself, I am going to copy my question. So, what is the question you see? X equals 3t cubed minus 6t square plus 12t plus 6. If you need velocity, what you have to do, you have to write this equation. Dx by dt. So in place of x, you have to substitute the value. See here, d by dt of 3t cubed minus 6t square plus 12t plus 6. Now, as there are 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there, I am splitting this. D by dt of 3t cubed minus, as it's a first question, I'm splitting and writing. D by dt of 6t square plus d by dt of 12t plus d6 by dt. It's very funny thing here. Now you see, here you have to use your general formula now. What's your general formula? See, your general equation is, what is your general equation? D by dx of x power n. Now here you see, in place of x it is t, no problem. So what I am writing is, you see, 3 into, next step, be very careful, 3 into t cube, d by dt of t cube. Apply the formula. What is the value of n here? Cube. So this 3 is nothing but this constant 3. I'm closing this into 3 t power 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? 2. Minus. Here 6 is constant. Take it outside. Then d by dt of t square. So what is the value of n here? 2. So we can write 2t power 2 minus 1. That is 1. Plus 12t, no? So 12 you take it outside. What is the power here? 12t means power is 1. So we can write here 1t power 1 minus 1 is 0. What is d by dt of 6? 6 is a constant. It won't change with any number, any time. So it will be 0. What is the meaning you got it? Because the variation of 6 with respect to t, 6 is a constant number, it won't vary. So we can write 9t square minus 12t plus 12. This is your velocity. Understood? Okay. Now, if you need acceleration, next step, question is to find at t equal to 0 its acceleration. So next step is I need to find a. What is a? dv by dt. Same procedure you do it. d by dt of, now anyway one step you have written, no? V value I am writing. This is your V value. This full is your V value. So we can write 9t square minus d by dt of 12t plus d by dt of 12. Can you tell me what is this one? 9 into 2. 9 is constant. T square. Power is 2. 2t power 2 minus 1 minus 12 into 1 into t power 0 plus 0. So I am getting it as 18t minus 12. Because any number raised to 0 is 1. Can you check it once? It is 9 into 2t minus 12t. T how we are writing? T I can write it as 1t power 0 plus 0 equals 9 into 2, 18t minus 12. So this is your acceleration. But you see in the question they are asking, at t equal to 0, what is the acceleration? T equal to 0, what is the acceleration? So how I can write? T, if you have to write, if t equal to 0, 18t minus 12 equals 0. Therefore, we can write here, if t equal to 0, 18t minus 12 equal to a is the equation here. So I can write 18 into 0 minus 12 equal to a. So what is your acceleration? Can you tell me? What is your acceleration? A is equal to minus 12 meter per second square. Minus 12 meter per second square. Listen everyone. X equal to 3t cube. See, the question is this one. X equal 3t cube minus 6t square plus 12t plus 6. If you need velocity, you write dx by dt. D by dt of, write the entire term I have written. Now, each term split it. So, d by dt of 3t cube minus d by dt of 6t square plus d by dt of 12t plus d by dt of 6. If you write this, I can write 3 into 3. 3 into power. Apply this formula, nx power n minus 1. So 3t power 3 minus 1, 2 minus 6 into 2t power 1 plus 12 into 1 into t to the power of 0 plus 0. So we can write 9t square minus 12t plus 12. Now if you need acceleration dv by dt. d by dt of 9t square minus d by dt of 12t plus d by dt of 12. Here also apply the same form. So 9 is constant, t square differential will come as 2t power 2 minus 1, that is 2t minus 12 into, power is 1 here, 1t power 0 plus 0, 18t minus 12. But in the question they ask, at t equal to 0, what is the acceleration? So if t equal to 0, 18t minus 12 equal to a, we got from here. So you can write 18 into 0 minus 12 equal to a equals minus 12 meter per second square. Okay, done? Okay, students, do you want one more question we'll solve? One more question so you will get more idea. This is the question. The displacement of a body varies with the time. Like this, if question comes, then only we can understand that this is the equation. See, displacement varies with the time. How long the body take to come to rest? Very simple question. So see how I am doing. So I am just writing the question again. Y equals minus 2 by 3 t square plus 16t plus 2 I wrote. If you need velocity, because they told how long the body comes to rest, take to come to rest. It means that at that point velocity is 0. Because rest means what is the velocity? 0. So what is velocity? I can write the velocity as dx by dt. So here in place of x it is y. So we can write dy by dt. So it is d by dt of minus 2 by 3t square. What is the y value they gave? You write it all. 16t plus 2. Now split the term. D by dt of minus 2 by 3t square plus d by dt of 16t plus d by dt of 2. So this is minus 2 by 3 into t square I can write 2t plus this I can write. How we can write 2 by 3 is constant, t square. So power is 2. 2t power 2 minus 1, that is only 2t plus 16 into t. T means 1, t power 1 minus 1 is 0. Then we know that d by dt of 2 is 0 only. I can write minus 4 by 3 t plus 16 because any number raised to 0. Now simple step only. Can you tell me what is the next step? They are asking here at what point your velocity is 0. So we can write v equals 0. So I am writing minus 4 by 3t plus 16 equals 0. 4 by 3t equals 16. T equals 16 into 3 by 4. So we can write here 12 seconds. Very simple only, no? Students, you see here question, the displacement of a body varies with the time as y equals minus 2 by 3 t square plus 16t plus 2. How long does body take to come to rest? So I wrote the displacement. As they mention in the question, speed equal to 0. I am differentiating. Differentiating means each term take it separately. D by dt of minus 2 by 3t square, d by dt of 16t, d by dt of 2. Okay. After that, 2 minus 2 by 3 constant. T square differential 2t. 16 into 1t power 0 plus 0. Minus 4 by 3t plus 16. So I can write v equals 0. So t I got 12 seconds. Thank you for watching VGuide TV. I'll come with more numericals of differentiation and integration in the coming videos. Thank you.